What's up guys, Super Geek here. Google recently launched the Pixel 6 series smartphones with the biggest changes we could ever imagined, whether it was the design, the camera, or even the new in-house Tensor SoC to power the smartphone. Now we got some rumors and leaks about the next generation of Pixel smartphones, the Pixel 7 series. Some of the hints for the Pixel 7 series smartphones were found in the recently released Android 13 Developer Preview 1. By the way, if you want to know how you can try Android 13 on your Windows computer, then check out the link in the I button above or in the description. Okay, back to the Pixel 7. Let's talk about the design first. As you can see in these renders of both of the smartphones, there are absolutely nothing changed in terms of the design. The only thing I can point out is the camera sensors. As you can see, the camera sensors are placed differently in Pixel 7 Pro. The main sensor is placed in the center and the two sensors looks somewhat grouped, while the third telephoto sensor is not grouped. Maybe it's just the render thing, but this is the only thing I found different in Pixel 7 Pro compared to Pixel 6 smartphone. Pixel 7 also had that grouped camera sensor thing if you look closely. Also, this new camera bump, which everyone is calling a visor, have been shrinked a bit so it won't stick out much compared to the previous generation. Now let's talk about the next generation of Tensor SoC that Google is going to use in Pixel 7. According to 9to5 Google, the first developer preview of Android 13 includes some references to the Tensor GS202 chipset that may power the next Pixel smartphone. To recall, Pixel C has the Tensor GS101 chipset. The new SoC is going to use Samsung's unreleased modem with the model number G5300B, which is of course a higher number than the G5123B modem that was used in Pixel 6. We also got the codenames for the upcoming Pixel smartphones, Cheetah and Panther. Well, we cannot say for sure which one is which because no one cares about that. So the bottom line is that the Pixel 7 series smartphone is going to be a small upgrade over the Pixel 6 smartphones. Do not hope for any significant changes in the design or performance of the upcoming devices. So that's it for today. Hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.